So you finally listened to me. You were able to swell up your huevos so much that you had to lob your way over there to finally say hi to that girl you've been crushing on. Now what? I get it. You went in there without a game plan. You only got the confidence, but now you're stuck in there in an awkward situation, and it's because it was my fault. I forgot to tell you what to do next. So today I'm going to give you 5 tricks that you can do to never run out of things to say with a girl. Let's hop into it. Number 1, show her the tip. Whoa. It's not what you think. See, it's called the iceberg effect. See how an iceberg works is that they usually just have a tip that sits above the surface. Yo, don't go there. I'm trying to stay monetized. We're back to the iceberg. Yeah, so the iceberg has a tip that sits above the surface. However, there is much more depth to them below the surface. This is exactly why it's important to learn a little bit about everything as much as you can. I need you to listen to more podcasts, listen to more audiobooks, read more books, learn new hobbies, join new activities, join new groups. I need you to expand your mind, your wealth of knowledge, so you can be an iceberg. Now, when you become this well-rounded wealth of information, it's easy to stick your tip into any conversation. Again, do not go there. It's easy to stick the tip of your iceberg into any conversation, and then when the conversation's rolling, she's gonna see the wealth of information, all that depth that's underneath you. Number 2, I call it the in and out. And no, I'm not talking about the fast food restaurant. You are not taking her for burgers. You are instead saving yourself the embarrassment of being there in an awkward situation with nothing to talk about. You are instead saving yourself the embarrassment and also respecting her time. See, when you approach a girl for the first time, yeah, your goal is not to make her laugh for 30 minutes, at a random girl. It's almost impossible unless you're Kevin Hart. And you also gotta respect her time, understanding that she probably has things to do and places to be at. So your goal is to get in, get her number, and get out. The whole interaction should last less than 5 minutes. Doing this is gonna cut most of the awkward conversation from the get. Number 3, you gotta have confidence. Look, if you'll feel good, you'll look good, and you're gonna act great. This just makes it easy to not overthink things because, bro, you are in your zone, you are comfortable, and you already know that your exterior reflects or affects your interior, which means you wear a powerful fit from Essentials. Well, it's game over for that girl. R.I.P. because she stood no chance to all that sexiness. This is what I worked so hard for when I designed every single piece. Take, for example, our oversized shirts that just with the drop shoulder just makes you look a little bit wider, a little bit beefier. Not to mention, this piece sold out in 10 minutes this last launch. Well, we are restocking it for our November 28th launch, and it's coming in 4 new colors, including this color. Yo, this piece was so popular, everybody was wearing it. All the influencers that we work with, this is the piece that they love. Not to mention girls. Like, yo, my wife was taking it. I was seeing girl influencers loving this shirt. This is like that comfy shirt that when a girl sees you in, like that sweater shirt that they're gonna wanna take away from you. Yeah, that's this shirt. And since it's made with the luxurious hemp cotton blend, yo, we got you covered. This isn't no basic piece. Everything that I design with intent to make you the sexiest, most irresistible man possible. This is not the only thing we're dropping, boys. We are also dropping our new tracksuit that comes with our oversized crewneck sweater. Again, this is a piece girls will love to steal from your wardrobe, paired with our new track pants, which are ultra comfortable. And you already know, gray sweatpants, they're a problem. Those are also going to come in 4 colorways. That tracksuit, boys, that tracksuit is definitely my favorite. And that right there, that is an essential. That is a must. And a tracksuit like that, every dude should have because the versatility is ridiculous. But we're not stopping there, boys. It is Black Friday weekend. So you know what we did? We restocked our most popular items. Our bamboo tees, our bomber jackets, our chinos, our hoodies. We restocked them all, and we're gonna put them up to 70% off, meaning you're never gonna get these pieces at the lowest price possible as you're gonna be able to get them this weekend, meaning that it's not only a time for you to buy something, it's a time to gift something. It's a time to buy stuff for your friends, for your dad, for your brother, because this is the cheapest you'll ever be able to get essentials. And we're not even stopping there, bro. Like, you already know I love to gift you things. So you wanna know what we're doing? Remember the face masks that we did that were ultra popular? It was about 20,000 of them. Gave them out for free. They sold out in like 3 minutes or something like that. Yeah, we did that again. Except this time it's about 30,000 masks. We revamped them. They're higher quality. They're adjustable, so they're comfortable. And they even have a slit so you can put a filter to really protect yourself against anything that's out there while looking better. It fits better along the face, so you look more boss with it, and it's more functional. Yeah, see, most brands would sell this piece for about 15 to 20 bucks because it is costing us like $10, $15 once shipped. We're gonna give it for free to you guys. If you guys want a free face mask, it is first come, first serve, so don't get mad at me. Click the link down below, sign up, pick one up. But do not forget, boys, our launch is November 28th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and this stuff is gonna move fast. I don't want you to miss it, so put a reminder on your phone that way you're the first one there. Number 4, no filter. This is a I don't give a fuck mindset where you practice the habit of not filtering what you're saying or what you're thinking. You see a pretty girl? Walk up to her and tell her she's pretty. Reveal your true intentions, that you want her number and that you find her attractive. No trying to make her laugh, no cheesy pickup lines, no worrying if you try to sound too smooth or if you sound confident enough.
Jorge?
Yes, call me Georgie.
Georgie?
And then it works on the flip side also. Let's say you're on a first date, you feel awkward or tense. Reveal exactly what you're thinking. Like say, yo, aren't first dates awkward? That you guys already are connecting on something and it's gonna ease some of that tension.
It's my first time doing something like this.
Is it?
So, yeah, no,
That's
I'm
cute.
excited. Tell me a little about yourself. What do you like to do?
And finally, number 5, I want you to end on a high note. I want you to end leaving her wanting more. Sometimes when you're in a conversation, everything's rolling, but you're already seeing the end. You're already seeing that naturally the conversation's starting to run out. There is no tip that you can insert that's gonna salvage that, which means that if you see the end coming, I want you to end the conversation on a high note and leave yourself on a positive note in her mind. For example, let's say the conversation's rolling and you just interrupt and you're like, oh man, I forgot I have an appointment to run to. Hey, tell you what, give me your number and then we'll catch up some other time. Bro, you got her in the bag. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 tricks that you can do to never run out of things to say. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video because it helps your bro out. That's it from me today. See you next time.